Good morning, students. Students, in this session, we will discuss how to do the online transactions. In last session, we had discussed what an online transaction is. Let us recall first. Online transaction is the payment method in which transfer of fund or money happens online over the EFT, electronic fund transfer. It is secure and password protected. सो एक ऐसा पेमेंट मेथड जिसमें मनी का ट्रांसफर ओवर द इंटरनेट हो इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली, दैट इज द ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन. It can be done using computer or any other computing device such as mobile also. It provides 24-hour access to the bank account. Online transaction using Flipkart. Let us discuss how to do the online transactions using Flipkart. First of all, we should know what is Flipkart. Flipkart is an online store from where you can purchase a variety of electronic items or books, accessories, digital cameras, mobile phones, or peripherals such as printers, plotters, etc. You can purchase number of other goods also. It offers multiple payment methods like credit card, debit card, net banking, e-gift voucher, cash on delivery, etc. Credit card and debit card, I suppose you are aware of this, but their credit card and debit card, I will clear what is the difference between credit card and debit card. डेबिट कार्ड तो आपने सुना ही होगा. बैंक, किसी भी बैंक में अगर आपका अकाउंट है, देन यू कैन विड्रॉ मनी यूजिंग द डेबिट कार्ड. Similarly, you can use debit card for the online payment also. Then comes credit card. Credit card is similar to debit card, but there is a difference between credit card and a debit card. तो डिफरेंस क्या होता है डेबिट कार्ड और क्रेडिट कार्ड में? डेबिट कार्ड में जितने भी आपके अकाउंट में मनी है, आप उसी लिमिट तक कोई शॉपिंग कर सकते हो. ट्रांजैक्शंस उसी में से करनी पड़ती हैं जितना भी अमाउंट आपके पास अवेलेबल है. बट क्रेडिट कार्ड इज द कार्ड कि जिसकी हेल्प से आपके अकाउंट में अगर बैलेंस नहीं भी है तो भी देयर इज सर्टेन लिमिट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कार्ड, तो उस लिमिट तक की शॉपिंग आप पहले से ही कर सकते हो, सो दैट कि आप बाद में पेमेंट कर दो क्रेडिट कार्ड की हेल्प से शॉपिंग करने के बाद, इवन इन EMIs आल्सो. देन नेट बैंकिंग. नेट बैंकिंग मीन्स उसी टाइम आप ट्रांसफर करना चाहते हो यूजिंग द इंटरनेट. ई गिफ्ट वाउचर, कई बार आपके पास कुछ गिफ्ट वाउचर्स अवेलेबल होते हैं, तो फ्लिपकार्ट ऑफर द पेमेंट मेथड यूजिंग द गिफ्ट वाउचर्स. कैश ऑन डिलीवरी, this site also offers the payment on delivery. मीन्स जब आपने जो भी गुड्स ऑर्डर की, जब वो पहुंच जाए ऑन डिलीवरी कैश अवेल करा दिया जाए, सो दैट पेमेंट कैन आल्सो बी डन. नाउ कमिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट. अगर हमें ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन्स करनी है, देन व्हाट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट? रिक्वायरमेंट इज नो डाउट सबसे पहले कंप्यूटिंग डिवाइस चाहिए, चाहे आपके पास कंप्यूटर हो, लैपटॉप टाइप कंप्यूटर या डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर या फिर मोबाइल फोन. एंड ऑन these devices you should have a web browser and an active internet connection. बिना इंटरनेट कनेक्शन आप शॉपिंग नहीं कर सकते हो और पेमेंट भी नहीं कर सकते. एंड ब्राउज़र कोई भी हो सकता है, चाहे वो फायरफॉक्स लो, चाहे क्रोम, गूगल क्रोम हो, या फिर इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, या फिर एनी अदर ब्राउज़र. सो Just open your web browser and then type www.flipkart.com in the address bar and press enter. As soon as you press enter, you will see a figure similar to this. If you want to buy something or to perform transaction using Flipkart, then you have to sign up for a Flipkart account. You have to locate and click on the sign up link at the top of the web page. Then you will see a window similar to the one which is being displayed in this slide for signing up with the Flipkart. Here you can see you must provide your email address. Email address is also used for sending offer mails and promotional mails by this site to you. Email address will also be used as a login name for your Flipkart account. Then password is there. Password, you must secure your Flipkart account by giving a strong password. First time you have to give the password. Next time you can sign in with your password. Your password should be a strong password, means it should be a combination of alphabets, numerics and special characters. You need to enter the password twice first time and then click on sign up now. Once you have signed up, a window which is being shown in the slide will be displayed. It will be similar to slide, it will not be exactly same. So variety of products which are organized as the categories, you can have a look on that. You can search for the respective product uh, which you want in the appropriate category, and you can also use the search feature. ऊपर search का ये बटन दिखाई दे रहा है आपको right side में, तो you can click on search button to locate a particular item after writing the name for the item. For example, if you want to buy a digital camera, you can write digital camera in the search box. If you want a microwave to search, then you can write microwave. If you want a LCD TV or LED TV, you can write that. You have to choose a model also from the search results window, because when you will press the search button, you will see the number of models available. You can select a model of your choice by clicking on the image of the product, and you can also browse the products available in Flipkart. Once you have decided to purchase that particular product, you can purchase the product. Also, for this the option is buy this now. But uh, if you want to select more products, you can do that before proceeding to the payment. If you want to choose only one product, if you want to purchase only one product, you have to proceed for the payments. It's your choice. You want to select one or more products. So products which you will add, they will be added to your shopping cart, and you can also review those items prior to the payments. Means आप पहले एक बार देख सकते हो, रिव्यू कर सकते हो कि क्या क्या आइटम्स आपने परचेज करनी है, so that you can proceed for the payment. As we have discussed earlier also, that Flipkart allows a variety of methods for the online payment. You can use credit card, debit card, net banking, cash on delivery or e-gift voucher to complete the payment. But for that you have to enter the details which are required in the mentioned fields. Some details are optional, but some are mandatory. So click on Pay to initiate the payment process. Depending on the method you select, other windows will be available and procedures will also vary to complete the online transaction. Means अगर आप क्रेडिट कार्ड से पेमेंट करना चाहते हो द डिफरेंट विंडो विल बी डिस्प्लेड, अगर आप डेबिट कार्ड से पेमेंट करना चाहते हो देन डिफरेंट विंडो विल बी अवेलेबल एंड प्रोसीजर भी डिफरेंट होगा। अगर आप कैश ऑन डिलीवरी करना चाहते हो अगेन उसके लिए आपकी डिफरेंट विंडो अवेलेबल होगी। Some of the websites also offer the payment to be made in installments। तो कुछ वेबसाइट्स ऐसी हैं जहाँ पे इन सब प्रोसीजर्स जो हमने डिस्कस किए पेमेंट मेथड्स उनके अलावा ईएमआई के थ्रू भी पेमेंट के लिए ऑफर प्रोवाइड करती हैं विच इज़ वेरी कन्वीनियंट फॉर द कस्टमर्स आल्सो। सो if that payment method is available then you must be aware of the payment terms for the information on procedure and practices and how much more amount you have to pay extra if you are giving the amount or payment in installment. You should first of all know about this. As soon as you place the order and do the payments, your order will be available after a particular time which is mentioned by that site that when it will be delivered. Now we will learn how to perform online transaction for booking train tickets using IRCTC. IRCTC किसका पोर्टल है? It is Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation online portal which is used to book travel tickets, mainly railway booking. Online transaction for booking rail tickets. Now we will learn how to perform online transactions to book train tickets using IRCTC. IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. It is an online portal which is used for booking travel tickets. To work with IRCTC, the requirements are again same which we have discussed in working with Flipkart.com. You need a computing device, either a computer or mobile phone. You need a web browser and an active connection. So again for booking the railway ticket you have to open any browser such as Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer or any other browser. Type www.irctc.co.in in the address bar and then press enter. On pressing enter, you will see a web page which is being displayed in this slide. Now follow the procedures to fill up the details for the registration completion. So once you log on to IRCTC, you can use the website for booking the tickets. Now in the registration form, fill in the details which are mandatory, means which are not optional. The fields which has star sign, they are mandatory. Mandatory fields means you cannot leave them blank. Other fields where star sign is not there, they are not optional. They are optional, means you can leave them blank also. Once you complete the registration, you can see a window which is appearing on the right side where you can plan your travel. You have to fill in from that कि किस सिटी से आप ट्रैवल करना चाहते हो टू क्या डेस्टिनेशन है जहाँ तक आप जाना चाहते हो, देन डेट ऑन विच यू वांट टू प्लान, and ticket type you can choose. There are number of options which are available. You can choose e-ticket अगर आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली ही चाहते हो अपनी टिकट बुक करना. Then quota, it can be general, it can be senior citizen, etc. So you can choose appropriate quota. After that you can find train by clicking on find trains. It is to see the available trains with ticket availability. So whenever you will click on find train, you will see another window. You can view the status of the available tickets sorted by day, which is displayed in the window. So once you have fixed a date which is convenient for the travel as per the timing of the trains or the train, etc., you can proceed to book the tickets by following the instructions which are provided on the website. And as soon as your ticket is booked, the electronic copy of the ticket will be displayed on the screen. You can save it for your reference. Additionally, the ticket will be mailed to the email address which you have specified during the registration. So this is the procedure for booking the railway ticket on IRCTC. So in this session we have learned how to do the online shopping using Flipkart, how to reserve tickets on IRCTC. In the same way you can do shopping on the other sites also. Similarly, you can book the tickets, either bus tickets or hotel booking, etc. You can also do in the similar way. For that you have to explore the various websites. That's all for this session. At the end, I can only say stay secure when buying online and stay safe.